Yo, what's going on, guys? I got something really cool to show you here. It's something that's relatively new to trade ideas, and I want to show you this today because starting next week, the first week of June, they're going to be doing their test drive where you're going to be able to test drive the full everything from trade ideas. You're talking about Holly, everything, all their scanners, all their charts, their stock racing scanners, everything you're going to be able to trade, use to trade anyways, and inspect for a 2-week test drive. There's a link in the description and comment section that you can use to sign up. I'd sign up for it right now, and that way you can download the software and get ready to rock and roll once the test drive is live. Now, let me show you really quickly these scanners, primarily these newer ones. The reason why Trade Ideas is something I've used for such a long time, it's because it's so easy to use. I'm not very tech savvy, and it's easy to use to me. All right, it's extremely customizable. They're extremely innovative, and their customer service is bar none. You ain't gonna find anybody's customer service in the scanner industry, in my opinion, that is better than theirs. I've been using Trade Ideas since when I started learning to day trade, meaning when I was in simulators and learning to trade stocks, understanding and learning what a market order is, a limit order, how to find stocks, all these things, I was already using Trade Ideas as a brand new newbie. Like, you couldn't get any newer, really. And I was already using Trade Ideas from day one. So I've been using Trade Ideas now for almost going on 8 years. It's crazy. I have not stopped using them because I enjoy them. I think they're the best scanners that you could find when you're looking for stocks to trade. And let's go ahead and jump into these scans. Right here, you have the Trade Ideas racing scanners. Okay, this is literally, look, like this is your checkered flag. Here you have your stock VIRI, GDC, CXAI, so on and so forth. You have them all here in like an actual race. You saw how they just moved there. You got first place, second place, third place, etc. Right now, see how it overtook one. That's how they work. Who's moving now? This is almost like watching just a regular scanner and just looking at all the numbers and tickers and the different colors that you can set in place. It's almost the same thing, only this is easier to use, in my opinion, in the sense of like catching your eye. Look, you just extended there on VIRI. So now you click VIRI, it populates right here the chart for you. You can see VIRI on this 15-minute chart. You want to change the time frame, right click this sucker, come here, put 3 minutes, boom. Now you have your 3-minute chart on VIRI. You want to check out B-Way? There you go. You want to check out Mark? There you go. AMAM? Boom, there you go. You want to come on down here and check out VTSI. Look at VTSI up here in front of the high of day. This high of resistance on the daily chart and a new high on the intraday 3-minute chart. So it's constantly something that's updating, and it's easy to pick up with the eye versus your regular scanner. What would a regular scanner look like? Well, it could look something like this right here. You see right here, this is your regular scanner. Now, typically, you would have to have this a little bit bigger so you could see some more, and then you could scroll through it and you see the price, you see the change percentage-wise, right? You see the relative volume, you see the volume on the day, all that good stuff, you see it right here. Now, I've been used to using scanners in that fashion since, I started trading. So to me, it's not a huge difference. Nonetheless, I can tell you that glancing at these racing scanners, it's much more simple. It's much more simple. I put myself in the new trader's shoes, and if I see a regular scanner, I see just numbers and colors all over the place. It could be overwhelming. I remember the first time I sat down and looked at one of those scanners, I thought to myself, what is this? What's all of it? What does it mean? How do I know which stock to trade? And all that good stuff. Now, when you glance at these, clearly see that VTSI is pushing right now. You can clearly see that. So you click it here and you can see VTSI pushing up here into new highs. So that's the reason why these scanners are these new scanners are so new trader friendly, in my opinion. Like, look, if you're a seasoned trader, you might not care to use them because your eyes are already trained up and used to these. Even though my eyes are trained up and used to regular traditional scanners, setups or layouts that Trade Ideas has, these I find myself glancing at them and just instantly picking up on the ticker VIRA, ABSI, SDA pushing here. Like you could just see, there you go, boom. You could see it just pushing. You can see, you can pick up on, you can see, obviously the SPY all the way back down to 419 on the day. This thing's just been bleeding out all day long after that huge push up here over 422. And not only does it have these ray scanners, let's say this is not for you, you don't care for it, you want to use traditional stuff, right? Well, I mean, you can customize all the traditional scanners you want. And you see right here on this side, you have the channel bar. Here's where you could see everything. You have the stock racing, you have Holly, the AI, artificial intelligence. You got long-term Holly AI for long-term ideas. You got anchored VWAP scanners, right? Stocks, again, racing on the S&P. Explosive winners, swing picks for swing traders, right? You have Trader Eye here. You got pre-market scans. You got after-hour scans. You got momentum scans. Right? You have Barry's watch list. You have the YouTube channel here, and you can click show more. You can continue scrolling on down, and these are already made scanners for you. It's just huge package. Look at this. You can see Wall Street meme stocks, Wall Street bet meme stocks, right? Sector status, what's going down now, unusual options, unusual volume. Yeah, guys, this goes on and on and on. Look at this. It's just really almost like never ending, all ready to rock and roll scans, right? So let's say you click one of these because you want to check out social sentiment scans. So you click social sentiment scans, and there you go, social sentiment scans. It even populates a scanner right here, ready to rock and roll with the stock racing theme for you. You have your traditional scanners here, right here, down here. You have all these traditional scanners, and then you have the stock racing ones here again if you want. Now, look, you can customize these all you want, or you can make brand new ones from scratch. If you wanted to customize this, you just right-click it, you come here to configure, and you can mess around with it and everything. Change the values on things. You can change the values on what you want to hit, like depending on the price point, depending on the relative volume on the day, right? Depending on the percentage gap up or gap down. You can change all of that within the scanner, customize it to your settings, what you want. So it's very easy to customize, or you can just start some fresh ones, brand new if you like, right? But like I said, right here, you have everything you could possibly want out the gates without ever really customizing one for yourself. So in my opinion, you cannot not take advantage of the 2-week trial. So again, link in the description and link in the comment section so you can go ahead and sign up for the 2-week test drive. Test drive the scanners, test drive Holly the AI, see what you like about it, see what you don't like about it, and then make a decision whether these are the scanners for you. Throw any questions about them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to go over them with you. Thank you very much for watching. Any questions, again, drop them there, or just email me or email Jonal, info@thedaytraderchatroom.com. We'll be happy to help you out any way we can. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.